In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion app on your phone. First, go ahead and download the Notion app onto your mobile device. You can find it in your phone's app store, and once it's installed, open it up so you're ready to get started. Using the mobile app is a great way to keep your notes, projects, and plans with you wherever you go, especially when you need to quickly check something or make an update while you're away from your computer. When the app opens, sign in to your account. Make sure you use the same account you normally use so all of your existing workspaces, pages, and notes appear correctly. Once you're logged in, the app will usually take a moment to load and sync your content. So if things don't appear instantly, just give it a few seconds. After that, take a look at the sidebar. This is where you can move around your workspace and access your pages. The sidebar helps you stay organized by showing your main sections and saved content in one place. If you have a lot of pages, this area makes navigation much easier than scrolling around trying to find what you need. To open something, just tap on any page. Once it opens, you can read it, edit the content, and make quick changes directly from your phone. This is especially useful for updating to-do lists, reviewing notes, or making small edits when inspiration hits and you want to capture something right away. If you want to add new content, tap the plus button. This lets you insert different types of blocks, such as regular text, checklists, images, or even databases. The plus button is one of the most useful tools in the app because it helps you build or expand pages without needing a computer. If you're working on a task list or planning page, this is where you'll spend a lot of time. You can also use the search feature to quickly find pages or notes. This is a big time saver, especially if your workspace contains lots of content. Instead of browsing through folders or sections, just search for a keyword and jump straight to what you need. If you want even faster access, you can add widgets or shortcuts depending on your phone. This can make it easier to open Notion or jump into important pages without extra taps. Finally, let the app sync after you make changes. That way, everything you update on your phone will also appear on your other devices. This is one of the best parts of using Notion on mobile because your information stays connected and up to date wherever you work.